Alright, yo, what's going on everybody? It's Smitty back with another Minecraft tutorial video. And in today's video, guys, we're going to be going over how to get downloadable custom capes on Minecraft, Xbox One, and I guess really any Bedrock console, but mainly the Xbox. I want to thank the creator of these skin packs, or these texture packs, Ambient and Xatalyst. Sorry, I don't know how to say your name. I definitely butchered that. Anyway, the first pack I'm going to show has 50 plus capes that are just normal for Xbox, and the second pack I'm going to show has animated capes. As you can see right here, I have the end portal. This cape right here shows how fast you're moving, so it moves, animates. It's really cool. Two different packs. If you guys are looking to get skin packs, texture packs, global resource packs, mods, literally anything, shaders, anything ever on your Xbox right now, I have videos up to date working December 2021 on how to get all those things in the pinned comment down below. Go check that if you guys are interested in those other things. If you guys struggle at all throughout this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment down below as I respond to every comment ever left on my channel. And yeah, any subscriptions or likes are greatly appreciated. Sorry about the long intro, but let's get right into this. I'm going to show you guys how to get the pack with 50 plus normal capes, and then later on in the video, if you check the timestamps, I will show you guys how to get the animated capes. Here we go. So the first thing we need to do is download 3 applications for your Xbox. So what you want to do is go down here where it says My Games and App. You want to click on that. Then what you want to do is look on the left here. You want to go down to Apps, and where it says Apps, you want to scroll over to where it says Microsoft Store, because that is where we'll be getting the apps from. So once you have the store open, what you want to do is go to the search bar right here, and the first one you want to type in is you want to type in My Files, just like this, and you'll see the application right there. You want to get My Files Explorer. It's currently purple like this, but this is the one that you want. I got it for free somehow, but I think it might be a couple dollars, but I think there's also a free trial, so just get the free trial, do that, and yes, make sure you get that application downloaded. Then what you want to do is go back to the search bar and you want to type in internet browser just like this, and you'll see this free internet browser that looks like this, and you want to download that one. This is because they recently ruined the Internet Explorer on Xbox with downloads, so you have to go ahead and get a different browsing source, and we're going to go with internet browser just like this one right here. Get that downloaded. Then what you want to do is go back to the search bar and you want to type in expansion 4, and then you want to get this one right here, expansion 4 Explorer it's called. It looks like this. Make sure you get that installed, and that is the third and final application that you need to get this to work, so we should be good then. So after you have got these applications downloaded, the first one you want to go into is My Files Explorer. Go ahead and open that one up. So once inside of My Files Explorer, what you want to do is go up to the top right here where these 3 buttons are, and all you want to do is simply click on them. You want to go down to where it says Add Folder to Library, just like this. Wait a second, let it load. And then it will take you to this screen right here. Now what you want to do is not click anything. You want to go to the left, go down one, and then click on this button right here, and then you should see all these options right here, but you don't want to click any of them. Don't click any of them. All you have to do is simply go down to where it says select, and that is perfect. You don't have to click any of the folders, just simply hit this device, select, just like that, and it will create a new file called user manager, user whatever, merger 0, just like this. Perfect. So after doing that in My Files Explorer, the next application that we want to use is the internet browser right here that we downloaded. So go ahead, go over, navigate to the internet browser, and go ahead and open that up because we need to get the download links for the capes. So once inside of internet browser, you'll be greeted with a screen that looks something like this. What you want to do is press B on your controller so it looks like this. Then you want to press the button that's left of the center button with 2 rectangles on it. I have a picture of it right here, and that will bring up this URL right here. Then what you want to do is enter 50 capes MCPEDL just like this, as I have it typed right here. Basically all we're doing is just navigating to the website where we're going to download the first cape pack. So this is what you want to type in. I also have a link to this in the description if you're having problems finding the page. But this is what you want to type in, hit enter, and it will take you to this screen right here. Now on a side note, if you can't find your cursor right here, what you want to do is you want to press Y on your controller to bring up this search bar. Then you want to press B twice to close it, and then you want to move your analog stick up and to the left, and you will find your cursor right here, the black thing. And you want to go ahead and press on custom cape resource pack, 50 plus capes on the top right here to load up that website. Once you get to this site, you can feel free to look through all this information. Again, shout out to the creator of this pack, really cool pack. It shows some of the pictures of the capes that you can get, but you just want to scroll down to where it says downloads right here, and you want to find the MC pack download right here that ends in .mc pack, the top one pretty much. You want to go ahead and click on that link just like that. Then it'll bring you right here. You want to say you're not a robot, you are in fact not a robot, and then of course it'll take you to this little verification thing where you have to click the palm trees or click whatever it tells you to. Now this might be the hardest part of the tutorial right here. As you can see, I literally miss a palm tree in the bottom left because you guys know how hard these pictures are. But go ahead, make sure you get that right, click verify, and then it'll take you to the screen right here where it says please wait, and just let that load up to 100%. It might take a minute or two, but just let it load. So after it loads to 100%, it'll say get downloads right here in this blue button, and you just want to go ahead and press that blue button, and then it'll say files are ready, and again you want to click on the .mc pack because that's the one that we want. So go ahead and press that button. It'll say do you want to open or save, and what I actually want to do here is I usually go ahead and rename the pack because sometimes if the pack name is really long, there could be an issue when you're installing it. So go ahead, click on this and rename it to something just a little bit shorter. I just get rid of the numbers, and just like this, custom capes.mc pack is perfect. So once the name is shortened up and it ends in .mc pack, that's how you know it's right. You want to go to where it says save, click save just like this, wait a couple seconds, and then this download notification will pop up right here. Now you can either hold the middle button once you see that notification, or you can do this. You want to press the button with 2 rectangles on it left of the center button to get to a screen like this. Then on the top right, you'll see a button that has 3 dots on it. You want to go ahead and click on that button and then go down to where it says downloads. Click that and that will take you to the download page where we just downloaded that cape pack to. So you'll see it right on the top here. It'll say custom capes. If you didn't download it correctly, it won't be here, but it will be here. So what you want to do is click on it, go to the right to these 3 dots right here, click on those, and then go to where it says save as right here, because we want to save this to our downloads folder. After clicking that, it'll take you to this screen right here. You want to go on the left side and you want to go down one, press this button here. It'll say this device, and from this device it'll show all your folders here. You want to locate your downloads folder and go ahead and just click on that downloads folder, one click, and then that'll enter you into it. And then all you want to do is make sure it says this device downloads on the top and go ahead and click save, so you save it into the downloads. So after doing that, you are completely done with Internet Browser. It'll kick you out a little bit, but that's perfect. All you want to do is go ahead and completely quit that application, and you want to go into the next one, Expansion for Explorer over here. Go ahead and launch that. So once inside of Expansion for Explorer, go to Game Assets and Tools over here, click Try Again, do not hit Open Game, that's just something completely different, but it'll greet you with a screen something like this. Now what you want to do is locate the custom capes.mc pack right here, and you want to put your cursor over it, and you want to click the button with 3 lines on it on your controller, and that'll bring you to this right here, and you want to go ahead and press copy right here, third one up. Because what we're going to do with this file is actually copy paste it into our resource packs, and then we're going to install it from there. So what you want to do is now, after you click copy, locate your MC resource folder. If you don't have this folder, try this. Go back to the custom capes.mc pack, hover over it, press the button with 3 lines on it, and then go to where it says install right here and try to install it. And if it works, it'll install, and then you want to close out, enter back into expansion, and you'll have the folders. Now if that doesn't work, I have another fix in the pinned comment. Go to where it says MC resource folder fix and just follow that tutorial. It'll link to another video. So if you don't have the this folder right here, check the pinned comment of this video pretty much. But anyways, after you have the custom capes.mc pack copied, go into that resource pack folder. You want to find a blank white space, and you want to press that button with 3 lines on it, and you want to go ahead and press paste just like this, and that'll paste the MC pack into your resource folder, which is perfect. Then you want to go ahead, hover over it, click it with the button with 3 lines, and go up to where it says install. Go ahead and press install, and that will now install the resource pack basically into your Minecraft, and that'll take a little bit to extract, maybe a minute or 2. Let that load. And when that's done extracting, you'll notice that nothing really has changed, but that's normal, because what you want to do is press B on your controller to go back one, and then you want to go ahead and enter back into your MC resource folder, and you'll now notice that you have a custom capes folder right here, which is absolutely incredible. This is perfect. This is what we need. And now you can go ahead, go down to your custom capes.mc pack, press it with the button with 3 lines, and go ahead and just delete that, because we have the folder in here now, which basically means that we are pretty much done with this step. So yeah, after you're sure you have that folder, you can go ahead and close out of expansion completely, and you want to go ahead and start up Minecraft. Make sure you're starting up Minecraft fresh, so make sure you quit it and then start it up just like this, so it's completely fresh, and just let the game load up. So the way to enable these capes is just to enable a resource pack. So you can go into your played worlds. I'm just going to create a world here, but basically what you want to do is get to where it says resource packs right here. So from this screen, what you want to do is click on that. You want to go to my packs right here, and in my packs you will in fact see the capes, custom capes right here. All you got to do is simply click on it and then click activate on it, and then it'll actually go up into your active packs, and that's pretty much all you got to do. You now have got that pack activated. You will have a cape. Other people will not be able to see your cape unless they have the same texture pack activated. But anyways, once you have that in your active packs, get hyped, because what that means is that you basically have the capes installed, and when you load into your world, you will in fact notice that you now have this default cape right here, and it's honestly pretty cool as it flows around in the wind and stuff. But obviously I know you guys want to change the cape probably to something else, so I'll show you guys how to pick which cape you want. So to pick which cape you want, you can't be inside of a world to do it. You have to go into your world settings right here. So I click on the setting button right here, I go down to where it says resource packs, and from resource packs you want to go to your active ones, and you'll see the custom capes. Go down one and click on the custom capes, and then you want to go over one, and then you'll actually select this gear icon right here. Go over one from deactivate. Don't click deactivate. Click the gear icon, and right here, this is basically all the capes that you can choose from. It has the name right here. Pick whichever one you want. You can't see what they look like, but you can see the name, and pick whichever one you want, whichever one you slide it over to. Right here, I slide it over to the YouTube pack, so that's the cape that I have selected. You can go ahead and just simply play the world after sliding that, and when you load in, you'll notice that you now have whichever cape you selected. Mine, the YouTube pack, which this isn't my favorite cape, so here's another one that I actually got, which is a Christmas one, which is really, really cool. So yeah, enjoy the cape pack. Really cool, 50 plus, basically free. I guess My Files Explorer costs like $2 or $3, so hopefully that's not too big of an issue for a lot of people. But yeah, that's literally 50 customizable capes, really, really cool. And yeah, you can change whichever one you want. I'm going to show you guys how to get animated capes now. Let's get right into this, because it's basically the exact same process, just a different pack. So to get the animated capes, the first thing you need to realize that it's literally the exact same process that we just did for the 50 normal capes. You want to go in internet browser, type in cosmetic items mcpedl.com, because again, we got to get to the website where we're going to get the download from. Again, I have a link in the description if you want to use that. But as you see right here, animated cosmetics, it's the top one. You want to click through this, look through all the information, go down, scroll to the bottom where it says download.mc pack, and you want to go ahead and press that. So after pressing that, it'll ask you if you're a robot. Say no, let it load up to 100%, and then when it's done, it'll say that your downloads are ready. Click the blue button again, and then of course click the .mc pack again, because that's the one that we want from the available files. After you press that, it'll show this screen right here. You want to kind of rename it to something a little bit shorter before you save it, so go ahead. I just get rid of all the numbers on mine. Just call it Animated Cosmetic MC Pack. Perfect. Go ahead, press save. Wait a couple seconds till you get this notification. Hold the middle button during that notification, and then that will take you to this screen right here. And then remember, from this screen, press the 3 buttons. Go down to Save As. You want to go on the left right here to this device. Go find your Downloads folder, and then save it into the Downloads folder, just like this. I know I'm going fast, but I already showed this in this video, so back up a little bit in the video. It's literally the same process as we just did. And once you have that saved into your downloads, you can go ahead and open up Expansion for Explorer. You want to find the Animated Cosmetics pack right here. All you want to do is simply go ahead, copy it, go open to your resource folder, and go ahead and paste it into your resource folder. And then from there, you want to go ahead and press on it and click install into it, and then that will basically give you the folder that you need. So it extracts up to 100%, absolutely perfect. You notice nothing happens after it extracts, but that's normal. You want to back out one and go back into your resource pack, and then you'll see the Animated Capes folder. Perfect. And then go ahead and just delete the MC pack that we put in here. Go ahead and load up Minecraft, and you will basically have it installed into your world. Make sure you quit Minecraft before you do this again, and then load it fresh pretty much. So yeah, from the menu screen, you go to play, you go to your world settings, and in here you can go to your resource pack, and you can basically activate it from in here, click the animated thing, put it to the top, and you will have your animated capes. Really cool. This one's a creeper face. It's a little bit much for me with all the flashing and stuff, but cool. Animated cape, really nice. And again, it's a texture pack. If your friends have this on, they'll be able to see it. Otherwise, they won't be able to if they don't have the texture pack. To change your cape, it's just the same thing. Go to your world settings, click on it, go to where the gear icon is, and it'll allow you to navigate through whichever one you want. There's about like 12 to 15 different animated capes, I think. There's halos, there's dragon wings, really cool. But that's basically how you get the animated capes as well as the normal capes. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave it down below. But anyways, I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Enjoy these capes. They're really fun. And yeah, shout out to the creators. Obviously their channels will be linked down below. If you guys need skin packs, anything, just check the pinned comment for all the videos on Xbox. It's still possible to get everything, mods and everything. Have a great rest of your day, guys. It's been Smitty. Until the next one, peace out.